You gotta sit down and open yours too.
What is this? Is it golf balls?
This one? No.
I think it's
Yours is this one.
We have to open it like
Yeah, kind of. They kind of go together.
This one?
Yeah.
It's heavy. Salsa. Have that in. Really though?
Is that what you wanted?
Like it?
Salsa?
What'd you get, Lace?
That's not nice. It's salsa.
What'd you
It's
get?
For you.
What have that salsa for?
What'd you get, Lace?
I really like it. What did Lace get? Wait, you throw back a gift we gave you?
Salsa?
Wow, really? What an ingrate.
Are you
I
gonna be like,
got jalapeno peach jam.
are you gonna be like with all your presents? Please, Lacey's looking at hers. I mean, if you're gonna be like this with all of them, then
What is
stop.
this for?
It's for you for Christmas.
No, but what do I use it for?
You eat it
To dip it with food.
with
These
chips.
Jalapenos? It doesn't even sound appetizing.
That's from Virginia, Brad. It's right from the factory.
Ketchup, garlic, Alright, next.